In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get Idol of Yunchu in Deepwoken Roblox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The idol of Yunchu is a ritual idol and relic connected to the drowned god Yunchu. This allows the user to redeem one wish from anywhere and without the need of a resonance. It is a one-time use, but it is reobtainable. So you will be able to choose from various options. Likewise, there are various different ways to obtain this idol. So to obtain this relic, you will be able to choose from any of the methods that I mentioned in this video. First, you can get it from Duke Aricia. So if you defeat Duke Aricia, you will have a chance of acquiring the idol of Yunchu. Next, you can get it from the first layer plus hell mode on brown chests. Next, you have a very small chance of acquiring it from fishing in general, so consider doing that if you are bored. Next, you can get it as a drop from Prima Dawn, so if you open one of the chests that it drops, you have a chance of acquiring this idol. Next, you can get it from the Diluvian Mechanism, so if you go over to that location, you might be able to find this idol. Next, you can get it from War Mode, so by going over to the Eastern Luminate, you will be able to enter War Mode, and you can possibly get the idol as a drop from the War Chest. And finally, you can get it from a siege in Atris. So if you go over to a Atris raid event, you have a chance of acquiring this as a drop as well. When you get this relic, like I said, you will be able to redeem one wish from anywhere without the need of a resonance. You can hold more than one of this item, and using the idol of Yunchu while already having an available wish will remove the available wish that you had. So every time that you use this relic, it will be consumed upon usage, even if you already have an available wish. So that being said, be sure to use the available wish with Yunchu before using another relic. I hope I was able to help you on how to get Idol of Yunchu Deepwoken. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.